them. Provide any free medical treatment you may require here, courtesy of the Renewed Hope Initiative. So, we appeal for order because the program will be going on simultaneously. Once a medical personnel comes to you, quietly just step there, get your vitals.
Your Excellency, our grandmother, our mentor, happy to have you here. Honorable Justice, Mrs. Mary Odili, CFRO, DSSRO, Justice, the Supreme Court, retired. Honorable Justice Aribadan Oja, Honorable Justice Ogo Ibetada, Honorable Commissioner for Women Affairs, Dr. Roslyn Ababari Kuranta, Honorable Commissioner for Health Real Estate, Honorable Dr. Mrs. Agezi Chidima Ure, Permanent Secretary President, the titles. My beloved sister, Honorable Sotoye Toby Fontaine, founder, Toby John Foundation, and leader, Rivers Women. And she's also a right chief. Lady Anne Yakuboru, state coordinators of various groups present as well, and other stakeholders. I can also see our mommy, Honorable Daisy West, you're welcome. I also saw my big auntie, Dr. Patricia Obona, High Chief as well, you're welcome. Gentlemen of the press, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to welcome you to this unique event, designed to empower our women without taking too much of your time. My duty is to welcome you and appreciate everyone who have honored us with your presence. However, I appreciate Her Excellency, the wife of the Governor of Rivers State, Lady Valerie Similar Fumara, my own boss. She has motivated the state office of the Renewed Hope Initiative, RHI. His Excellency, Sir Similaye Fubara, GSS has also shown great leadership in the affairs of women in the state and the Renewed Hope Initiative. Thank you, Your Excellency. In the same way, let me thank Her Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Rivers State, Professor Ngozi Harmony, DSSRS, Her Excellency, thanks for always coming at any time we need your presence. We love you. Also thank our grandmother, Fonny Kola, she's my mentor. I'm always happy to have her. Mommy Mary, Justice Mary Odili, Justice of the Supreme Court, retired, for your support and encouragement on this journey. The beautiful and prayerful women of Rivers State, I cannot see you in all your splendor and for holding on. I thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you for holding on through Christ. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Above all, I am grateful to every beneficiary here and indeed to our partner, the Tony Elumelu Foundation, for making this day possible. God bless you all and welcome to this special day. Thank you.
I'm delighted to be here to flag off the Women Economic Empowerment of the Renewed Hope Initiative in conjunction with the Tony Elumelu Foundation in Rivers State. This economic empowerment program is about supporting the entrepreneurial spirit of our women traders and small-scale business owners who wake up each day determined to provide for their families, educate their children, and uplift their communities. Let me emphasize that this is not a loan. It is a grant and a seed of renewed hope to help you recapitalize your existing businesses. It is my firm belief that when you empower a woman, you empower a household, a community, and and indeed our nation. I thank the Tony Elumelu Foundation, who donated 1 billion naira to the Renewed Hope initiative to directly support 18,500 women across the nation. 500 women from each of the 36 states and the FCT will be receiving 50,000 each to strengthen and recapitalize their existing small businesses. I will be presenting the sum of 50,000 each to some of the pre-selected 500 beneficiaries at this event today. I thank the Tony Elumelu Foundation once again for this support. May this act of generosity inspire many more across our nation. In conclusion, I thank the Governor of Rivers State, His Excellency, Sir Dr. Siminalayi Fubara, GSSRS, and his wife, Her Excellency, Lady Valerie Fubara, for all your support in executing all the programs of the Renewed Hope Initiative. At this juncture, to the glory of God, I hereby flag off the Renewed Hope Initiative / Tony Elumelu Foundation Women Economic Empowerment Program for the benefit of the good people of this state. God bless Rivers State. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Her Excellency, Senator Oluremi Tinubu, CON, First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. My good and beautiful women of Rivers State, I am delighted to be with you today at this program, which seeks to bolster the economic capacity of women in handling their immediate challenges. You will recall that the Renewed Hope Initiative has, over the last 2 years, stood in the gap by providing agricultural, economical, and educational support for families. The Renewed Hope Initiative equally embarked on financial support for women and the elderly. These and many more are the major thrusts of the Renewed Hope Initiative agenda. In doing this, we have enjoyed sincere partnerships. What is, however, commendable in today's program is the desire and commitment of the Tony Elumelu Foundation to join in uplifting the financial status of women by donating 1 billion to be distributed to beneficiaries in the 36 states of the Federation and the FCT. This effort is gratifying. It foretells of the satisfaction of our citizens about the way and manner the Renewed Hope Initiative has impacted positively on society. At this program today, all 500 beneficiaries will be given 50,000 naira each, courtesy of the Tony Elumelu Foundation and the RUHI partnership. In deepening the gains of this partnership, the Rivers State government is also giving 50,000 to yet another 500 batch, making a total of 1,000 women who will be receiving this grant. This collaboration has come to represent a commitment to improve the economic capacity of women in the state, and I urge other well-spirited organizations, corporate entities, and business interests to emulate this noble gesture by partnering with RHI. His Excellency, Sir Siminalayi Fubara, GSSRS, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, believes that empowerment should be value-targeted and has therefore asked me to congratulate beneficiaries of this empowerment program. I congratulate the Tony Elumelu Foundation and the National Office of the Renewed Hope Initiative and pray that through you, Nigerians will reap a safe and secure economic future. I also urge you, recipients, to utilize the proceeds from this partnership to support beneficial ventures that will make for economic improvements in your families. God bless you all. God bless Rivers State. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you.
Mother of the Federation, the